At the Redesign Educational Center, we develop holistic methods of education. Digimath art is tailored to help kids not only get along with math, but to understand math is everywhere, and this is a real joy. What is Digimath art? It is a method of studying, learning, and teaching mathematics through programming and computer graphics. It is the result of 20 years of study. It is also a method of generating fractals and fractal art. We can create realistic fractal images. The objects are fractals because they are generated starting from very, very little information. All points of the objects are represented through one single set of parametric equations. Kids determine the parametric equations of the coordinates through operations on functions and function composition. The same method is applied for the components of the color. How does the method work? The teacher creates an application, and then the theory is chunked into steps. Then the kids get all the formulas and switch them into source code. Each step has its correspondent in the source code. You may see detailed study of operations with trigonometric functions. First, some theory is provided, like what happens if I multiply the function with a number, or what if I multiply the argument with a number, and so on. The result is a pattern which is used to create different models of petals of flowers. Trigonometric functions is a part of an entire chapter about functions. You may see just some examples. There are some other mathematical concepts. Objects which are already created can be transformed using those concepts. Flowers can be reflected using analytic geometry. Effects of illumination can be obtained using vectors or differential geometry. There are many softwares that use these methods, but they are not applied in schools. Children learn just to use these softwares. What we teach in mathematics is applying these methods and to create applications through computer programming. The method is so motivating that even a 13-year-old teenagers can understand and even prove those formulas. I used the word teacher, but we have no teachers at the Redesign Educational Center. We are human libraries, supporters, moms and dads, you name it. Everything to cherish and celebrate a delightful development, testing good and bad emotions, associating them with learning, selecting what is good for our development. Actually, we grow all together.